In this video, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can apply for UTech online. So you can hit the link in the description. It will take you to the online application system. Once you're there, select Start a new application. Here you're going to complete your information. So select your title, complete your first name, your middle name, and your last name, right? Provide a mobile phone number. Provide your date of birth. Please note the format, month, day, year. Then select your gender and set your password. Here you're going to choose a security question from the drop-down list. Once you complete all the information, select Continue. Here you can save your reference number. Now the application is broken down into 4 sections. You need to complete all 4 of them before you submit. If you do not complete this application in one go, you can always resume, right? So we're going to start with the first section. Are you applying? A regular student, peer learning assessment student, specially admitted student, occasional student, right? So I'm just going to select regular student. From the drop down, select your application type. You should know what you're applying for. I'm just going to say bachelor's. From the drop down, select your campus. I am going to select Papine Main Campus. You already know which school you're applying for by using the summary of programs, right? So you can access that from this page here. So if you right click this link here, open link in new tab and scroll through the handbook, you will find all the information about the courses. So let's go back to the application. So I'm going to select School of Computing and Information Technology. From the drop down, you have a wide range of programs that you can choose from, right? I'm going to keep it as Bachelor's of Science in Gaming. For your second choice of selection, you can also select a bachelor's degree. Select the campus, main campus. Select your school. I'm going to select School of Computing again. And for the drop down, I'm going to go with Bachelor of Science in Computing, right? Now select Continue to section 2. Now on this page, you need to complete your personal information, right? So take your time and provide all the personal information that is required. Any field that is highlighted in red is required. So you want to ensure you complete those fields. So select what best applies to you when you're completing the application, right? So for a street number, I'm just going to put in some information here. Now an important section is your mailing address. So this is where you receive letters. So if it is the same as your permanent address, the same address where you live, then you can select same as permanent address. So when UTech is mailing you like they're sending your acceptance letter, it will come to this address here. So you want to ensure this information is correct. So for the parent or guardian or next of kin, you want to complete that information as well, right? If they live at the same address as you, you're going to select same as permanent address. And then you're going to provide a contact number. So this is just a demo application, so I'm just putting in some random information to an extent, right? But you should get the general idea of how you can complete your application. Here are some questions. Select what best applies to you. In my case, I'll say no. Select religion, Christianity, source of funding, student loan bureau, name of sponsor. Do you have any disabilities? No. How did you find out about UTech? Through alumni. Do you wish to live on campus? Select what best applies to you. I'm going to say no. And for this, I'm going to say NA. Then select Continue to section 3. Here's where you're going to complete all your subjects that you completed. So from the drop down, you're going to select your subject, for example, biology. You're going to choose your exam body. So you may not be seeing C6, so select Caribbean Examination Council because this website may have not been updated a while now. So select your date, grade obtained, 1, right? And then you'll do this for all your subjects. So I'm going to say Chemistry, Caribbean Examination Council, 2018, grade 1. So you should get a general idea of what you need to do here. If you have subjects pending, you can add them here. Is English your first native language? Yes. Have you taken the SAT test? I'm going to say no and proceed to section 4. On this section, if you have any work experience, you can fill it out here. Now on this section, you're going to complete your reference information. So complete your reference information and then write a personal statement indicating your reason for your first choice of program, right? Here I'm just going to say not applicable, but ensure you write something decent. You can use ChatGPT to help you, right? Now I'm just going to select confirm application. So this is pretty much a summary of the application, and then you'll select submit application. However, I do not want to put any garbage in their database, so I'm not gonna hit submit, but you should get a general idea of how you can complete your application online. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.